Lanzones, exotic fruit with big health benefits. The lanzones, Lanzium, or lynx, is not just a delicious treat, but is also quite healthy. Lanzones are common in Southeast Asia as well as in southern India. It is recognizable with its yellow to light brown peel, oval-shaped fruit that grows in clusters. You can cook the fruit, but it is more common for the locals to consume it raw. You can also try canned syrup of this fruit or the candied version. No matter which way you want to consume it, the lanzones is an exotic fruit that comes with great health benefits, which include the following. Fiber. The fruit is of course edible, but unlike other fruits, the seeds should be thrown away. Nevertheless, the lanzones can give you more than 2 grams of fiber for every 100-gram serving. This already gives you at least 8% of the recommended daily intake for dietary fiber for women and at least 6% in men. Eating foods that are rich in fiber is beneficial for the body. Fiber can help reduce the risk of acquiring heart disease and help you avoid constipation. Riboflavin. When you consume lanzones, you reap the rewards provided to you by riboflavin. This is a vitamin that is a part of the B vitamins and is actually known as vitamin B2. A 100-gram serving of lanzones fruit can give you 124 micrograms of the vitamin, which meets 8% of the recommended daily allowance for riboflavin for both men and women. B vitamins, including riboflavin, help in processing carbohydrates, so that they turn into energy to be used by the body and keep the nervous system healthy. Vitamin B2 or riboflavin is a water-soluble vitamin, which means that you need a daily dose of it since the body is not able to store it. Eating lanzones can provide you with the riboflavin your body needs. Antioxidants. Lanzones are abundant in antioxidants, including vitamin A. This vitamin has a ton of health benefits, including protecting your eyes against macular degeneration and other vision problems. Lanzones also have other antioxidants, such as polyphenols, a group of natural antioxidants found in plants that may be able to prevent health problems, including cancer, heart disease, diabetes, and high blood pressure. The other antioxidants in the fruit are helpful in keeping the body clean against free radicals that do not just quicken the rate of aging, but also cause serious illnesses. Fresh lanzones are still the more ideal option if you are looking to enjoy the benefits given above. Apart from the meat of the fruit, the peel is actually useful in driving mosquitoes away.